browse, they can give more bandwidth. If they don't browse and they download, they get less bandwidth. It happens for you. You want to download something. At first 5-6 seconds, it works with the toppest rate. Download with the toppest rate with 4-5 seconds, and then it comes down. It's because of the burst. Burst is one of the best ways to increase HTTP performance. It increases your customer satisfaction. If they don't download, they can get. The idea is giving more bandwidth, even more than the maximum. For example, you are sending the bandwidth 2 meg to them, but once they browse, you are be able to give them 5. This is burst. Bursts are used to allow higher data rate for the short period of time, not always, for the amount of time. If an average download rate is less than the burst threshold, burst could be used. So there is an amount of threshold. Actually, threshold is the toggle switch of PCQ. It turns on the burst. It turns on the burst, turns off the burst. It's the actual average data rate. Average data rate is calculated from the last burst time second. You need to know the strategy. So, this is the same scenario as wiki. So let's open the wiki and talk about it. This is all for your understanding, but because of the exam, there is only one formula. You just need to memorize that. Example. Values are like this. Values should be like this. You have how many options in Q we have? One of them is the limit at. The other one is maximum limit. Priority also priority. Maximum limit. Then we have 3 options for bursts. One of them is burst time, like 16 seconds. The other one is burst threshold. The other one is burst limit. Limit at 1 meg. Maximum limit 2 meg. Burst threshold 1.5. Burst limit 4. Your burst threshold should be somewhere between limit at and maximum. Where we will talk about closer to max or closer to limit, we will talk about. But burst threshold should be between limit at and max limit. Burst limit should be something more than max. Burst should be something more than max. Now, assume that client will try to download 2 4 megabyte or 32 megabit blocks of data, 2 MP3. It tries to download 2 MP3. First download will start at 0 second and second download will start at 17 second. Traffic was unused for last minute. Okay, as you can see, first download starts in 0 second. Calculation is like this. When burst limit is 16, it means it calculates the average every second. when burst time is 16, it calculates the average every second. How to calculate the average? The amount of download divided by burst time, 16. So in the 0 second, the download is 0, cannot download. But in first second, because burst is enabled, you see, this is the actual download rate. This is the actual download rate. This is the average. This is the minimum. This is the threshold. This is the minimum. And this is the max limit. And this is the burst. So max 2, minimum 1, burst 4. This is actual bandwidth. And this is threshold. In 0 second, the download is 0. In first second, the download is 0 second. This is the first one. This is the first one. In 0 second, it's better to say like this. Limit at, maximum limit, 1 meg, 2 meg, burst limit, burst threshold, 1.5, average, and actual download. Exactly the first step, when user starts to download, burst limit is available for it. So in 0 second, the download is 0, but in first second, the download is 4 meg. Okay? So 4 meg. In next, 2 to 4. Because in the second, 4. In the third, 4, 4, 4. In fourth, 4, 4, 4, 4. In the fifth second, it makes the average, and average is still less than 1.5. So in 6 seconds, it reaches the average and burst not allowed anymore. Once the average reaches threshold, burst is not allowed. What happens then?